This is a 7-inch touchscreen computer. It runs on the STM32MP25 7F CPU. It also has a Yocto Linux operating system. The CPU is a dual-core ARM A35. It's a low-power consumption CPU running at 1.5 GHz. The whole system, including the touchscreen display, runs at about 6 watts. And it also has no fan inside. It passes the heat generated by the CPU through the metal case. This is an advantage in some dusty or harsh environments like factories or outdoor environments. If you have Wi-Fi or Ethernet resources, this product supports both 2 and 5G Wi-Fi. It also has 2 Ethernet ports. They are both 1 gigabit ports, and this right one even supports PoE. You can power this product through Ethernet port directly with a PoE switch. It has a mini PCIe port inside and a SIM card slot. Those are reserved for people who want to use it outdoor with 4G LTE network. If you don't need PoE, you can also use any of these DC input ports. You can use the adapter of a router rated 12 watts or the adapter of an old laptop rated 19 watts or a 24 watt switching power supply. Wide range voltage from 6 watts to 36 watts all work fine on this machine. And then it has this optical isolated GPIO and also those serial ports. By default, it's 4 GPIO inputs and 4 outputs, 3 RS485 and 2 RS232 and also 2 CAN. They are customizable. You can have at most 6 RS232 on this device by swapping these 485 and CAN to 232. The most interesting feature of this product is its neural processing unit, or NPU. It could run TensorFlow Lite and ONNX models. The datasheet says it has 1.35 TOPS computing power. The OS boots in a stock ST Linux desktop. There is a terminal here. Let's check the system resources. Free-H, it has 3.7 GB RAM. It's enough to load some small object detection models such as MobileNet SSD. DF-H, the internal storage is 16 GB emmc. apt install htop. Let's check the dual-core CPUs. This is the CPU utilization when idle. And can we use Python? It ships with a Python version of, let's check, Python 3-V is 3.11. Pretty new, I'd say. Let me check where does the apt know what programs are available. vi, etc, apt, sources, list, PAC, tab. It seems ST is maintaining its own software packages, so it seems to be quite some time to compile this by myself. Okay, that's a usable operating system, I'd say. And here are some programs developed by ST. They exist when we install the operating system. Let's take a look at them. Network info. If I plug in an Ethernet cable, I can check my IP address here. And here is video playback. Let's take a look.
At the same time, people have greater access to information.
This product also has a 1 watt built-in speaker. And then here are some 3D model demos. Let's pick 3 to take a look. Let's pick this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, let's say the 3D rendering ability is very well. Okay, at last, let's take a look at the NPU. I've tested it could run object detection on images. I have put several images in it, and it will read one of them randomly. It says 90%, but the label didn't show up. The inference time is around 30 milliseconds. Theoretically, it has the NPU that could do a 30 FPS. That's a usable performance. Let's try another one. The MobileNet SSD model detects a person with 82% confidence at 30 milliseconds. It's around 33.3 FPS. Okay, that's it. A small, compact, usable machine with many connectivity options. We hope you like the product made by Gypsy and powered by STMicroelectronics.